Hello everyone! Today we continue talking about trousers. I want to show you a review of modern fashion magazines. We'll have a look at different designs and styles. Some people say that the tight pants are in trend now. Others, that wide ones are. Some like long trousers and some shortened ones. Today I want to show you different types of trousers presented in modern fashion magazines. I want you to realize that fashion has no limits now. We can wear whatever we like. It's not like everyone has to wear tight or wide pants or combine them only with high heels. Now I'll show you a review of the pants presented in modern fashion magazines. Let's have a look at these trousers. We've already had a conversation about jackets. Notice that in all of these pants the waistline is high. Have a look at these pants. These ones are shortened as well as these ones. They are also tight. These are wide and long. These are overcast. Let's have a look at the next page. These ones are shortened and wide. They're decorated with gold buttons. Have a look at these ones. They're decorated with the flounces. These are of classic design. These pants are very tight. They look good even as a part of the pantsuit. Notice that in all of these pants the waistline is high. Have a look at these ones. They're long and there are slits on them. These are shortened. These are classic, tight, and these are classic, wide. I want you to understand that you can wear almost anything you want. These are very short and wide. These are not culottes. These are steel pants. These trousers are of classic design. These are very long, and these are a bit shortened. These ones are also of classic design. They are a bit tight at the bottom, of a perfect length, and there are no creases on them. You can see that pants are in trend now. You can wear the ones of any design you like. These are short, not that short, flared and decorated. Have a look at these ones. They are wide and the legs are tied with decorative straps. These ones are tight and classic. These are very long and very wide. These velvet pants are overcast. There are so many types of trousers. You can't even imagine. Long, shortened, wide, tight, overcast. Choose the ones which suit you. I can say that there is one type of pants which is especially stylish. Now is the happy time when you can wear anything you want. You should understand one very important thing. You don't have to wear tight pants if they're in trend now. If you like wide pants, wear wide pants. Forget about everyone else. You can wear anything you like. The most important thing is that you should not only look good, but also feel good. This is what really is important. I really want you to learn to sew not only for yourselves, but also for people around you. I want you to feel comfortable in clothes you wear. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.